Hello from Kelly Hicks and welcome to my campsite. I have a nice group of campsites at Woodhaven Lakes. This happens to be section 10 lot 57 and it has a nice Cadillac of a park model on it. It's a 2005 Covington double loft. You got a culvert, 20-foot culvert driveway. This has winter water, satellite TV, dish network. It's a Covington double loft. I sold this new back in 2005. It's got 50 amp electric, underground water, winter water, in a nice quiet neighborhood, not on the main drag. Got central air, extra electric, 125 gallon LP pig skirting. Picnic table, couple sets of stairs. Got a nice shed, 8x12 shed, door in the 12-foot side. It's got electric lights. Heading on in, house type rear entry door. Nice big bathroom, satellite TV, nice big loft with the light. Turn the light on. It's got 2 pin-up lights in here and back. Nice big double loft. This is a great unit for somebody. Probably sleeps at least 10 people. I wouldn't say in total comfort, but you could have 2 in the master bedroom and 2 on the sleeper sofa. It's got a 56,000 BTU furnace. You can only overnight at Woodhaven 200 nights out of the year, and you cannot live here. This does have winter water, however, and there is no restrictions. This has custom Marilat cabinetry. That's what set this thing apart back in 2005. It's still an industry leader 14 years later. Nice big bathroom, medicine cabinet, corner closet, vanity, tub, shower, commode, handheld sprayer. There's the shed combo, taped to the refrigerator. Double door fridge with ice and water. Actually, the ice maker's broke, but that's a simple fix. Still has water though. 4 burner stainless range. Microwave. Everything in it stays in it. It's a nice camper. Windows everywhere. Shades on every window. Sleeper sofa, swivel rocker recliner, dining room hutch, track lighting, 32-inch flat screen, dish network TV, coffee table. At Woodhaven, you're allowed to have a 400 square foot deck, patio, and room addition. This one is a blank slate. It doesn't have anything right now. You can make it your own, or you can leave a gravel patio just like I did. It's a great trailer. The trailer alone is worth the price of the entire property. Let's go on outside. Had a little bit of rain today. Got a fire pit back there. Got a bird nesting on top of the roof. Kind of a sway back picnic table. It's a nice section. I've had a campsite in this section forever. Used to have right over there, but this is section 10, lot 57 at Woodhaven, and we're gonna go see another campsite. So thanks for checking out my video.